In this video, you will find out how to correctly insert and activate the water filter for your WMF 950S. To do this, remove the water tank on the left-hand side. Correctly connect the water filter into the opening provided at the bottom of the tank. Fill the water tank and put it back into the machine. The carbonate hardness determines the capacity of the water filter. You can find this in the supplied machine user manual. Once you have determined the correct capacity, open the System menu item, then Water Filter Settings, and activate Water Filter Inserted. Then enter the correct capacity and confirm it. To complete the procedure, open the Care menu item and select Insert/Replace Water Filter. The machine now performs the filter rinsing process and is then again available for use.